Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back with yet another video of this Python tutorial for the beginners course. And in today's video I will be going to write a hello world code in the Visual Studio Code software. So this text editor will be used for the future uh, coding of this course, and I hope you have already installed this in your computers, and we will follow the coding instructions of this specific software. So let's start today's topic. I will be printing some basics of this Python course, and as I have already told you that Python language is interpreted line by line, so whatever you write in a specific line, it will be executed. So if you want to print something, or if you want to print any message, you have to write print, and you have to use the braces here and small braces, and you can type whatever you want to print out uh, in this braces. So I just want to print hello world here, so I will be writing hello world, and if I run this code here, you can see that hello world is printed right beneath this terminal output. So this is the initial or the hello world program of this specific language. So if you want to print anything, you can write in the print command. So let's move further into this, and I want to print I want to take input from the user, and then I will be showing that input to our terminal output value. So for that I have to uh, create a variable in which I will be storing the value entered by the user. So for example, I want to take the name of the user, so I will be creating a variable here, name, and in this variable I will be taking the input from the user. So I will be asking what is your name. So this will ask the user from to input his or her name. So after taking the input from the user, I will just print the message here, nice to meet you, and after that I will be printing the name of the user. So let's uh, run this code here, and as you can see that in the terminal window it is asking from the user to provide his or her name. So if I provide my name here, you can see that it will be printed nice to meet you and whatever the name the user will be providing. So in this way you can take the input from the user, and then you can easily print out that value to the user. So this is the first step in which you can take the input from the user, and then you can print out that value to the terminal output. In the next video I will be explaining about the constants, variables, and different data structures of the Python language.